Hello children of class 7, welcome back to online class in mathematics of chapter 5, exponents and powers. Important topics. I'll explain you first important formulas, then I'll explain you evolution of rational numbers, then some simplify, we will solve some questions and understand what is simplification means. Now children, starting with the important formulas of powers and exponents, laws of exponents. Let a and b be any natural numbers and m and n be any integers. Then we have, that means a and b will be a rational number with numerator and denominator, and their power will be m or n. M and n stands for any natural numbers from 1 to 9. Okay, formula number 1. When a by b is having power m and multiplied by a by b to the power n, it will be equal to a by b to the power m plus n. Means power gets added when we have common base with uncommon powers. A by b, second formula, a by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n equal to a by b being the common base, m minus n, because there is division sign between the common base. Formula number 3, within curly bracket, brace bracket, a by b to the power m into n equal to a by b to the power m into n. Number 4, a by b into c by d. When we have two different bases, then to the power n, one power, common power. Then how do we write this? A by b to the power n into c by d to the power n. That means power gets distributed, and ultimately it should be a by b to the power n divided by c by d to the power n. Fifth formula, a by b to the power minus n. When the power is negative, we will write the reciprocal, the opposite, inverse of that, b by a to the power n. So the power is now positive. When we have a to the power 0 or a by b to the power 0, the value is equal to 1. A to the power minus m, when we have a negative exponent with positive base, then we can use 1 as the numerator, and a to the power minus m will be taken in the denominator place and it becomes a to the power positive m. Next, 8th formula, a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to 1 by a to the power n minus m when m is smaller than n. That means m power is smaller than n power. Then it should be written like this, 1 by a to the power n minus m. Now I will take questions from the simplification and expressing it in the exponential form. I have taken 1 by 7 cube into 1 by 7 to the power 5. It's like a by b into m to the power m into a by b to the power n. In this case, we have common base with uncommon powers and into in between them. So when we have common base, we take base as common, 1 by 7, and power 3 plus 5 gets added. It becomes 1 by 7 to the power 8. The formula is a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n equal to a by b to the power m plus n. As I said, because there is into sign between the common base with uncommon power, the power gets added. One more question I take, minus 3 by 13 to the power 4 into minus 3 by 13 to the power n. Here once again, common base with uncommon power and into sign between the two rational numbers. We take common power base 3 by 13 to the power 4 plus 9, because plus into sign is there, so power gets added, equal to, next step, minus 3 by 13 common base to the power 4 plus 9, 13. Formula, a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n equal to a by b common, and power gets added because of into sign, m plus n. Now children, one more question. In this question we have to solve and express the power as the base 5. Okay, we have question 5 to the power 0 plus 7 to the power 0 divided by 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0. Now as I said, we have one formula in which we say a by b to the power 0 equal to 1 or a to the power 0 is equal to 1. That means wherever there is power 0, its value will be just 1. Okay, so therefore when 5 to the power 0, its value is 1. Similarly, plus 7 to the power 0, its value will be 1. Within bracket, divided by 2 to the power 0 is 1. Also 3 to the power is equal to 1. So here we add 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Divide sign as it is. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 divides 2. 2 1 ja 2. 1. As you have to express this as a result, this power as a power of 5. So it will be 5 to the power 0, because we know a to the power 0 is equal to 1, or inversely opposite. When power is 1, it will be written as a by b to the power 0. So our 5 is a by b, and this 1 is converted to 0. Children, I want to take one more question explaining a different formula. Okay, the question is 11 by 13 square divided by 11 13 to the power 6. In this case, we see that formula that we will use is a by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n. Here our n is 6 and our m is 2. So n is being greater. Therefore, what will be the formula? 1 by a by b common base to the power n minus m, where our m is smaller than n or n is greater than m. So it will be 1 by 11 by 13 to the power 6 minus 2, that is n minus m. Okay, 1 equal to 11 by 13, 6 minus 2 is 4. Then because we want to remove 1, so we will write once again, it is in the form like this, 11 by 13 to the power minus 4, because this comes up. Okay, this comes in the numerator place, so it will be written as 11 by 13 to the power minus 4. Okay children, now we have concluded the explanation of chapter 5, powers and exponent. Now it's time for homework, and your homework is simplify and express in the exponential form. What is your question? 7 by 8 square into minus 64 by 49 square.